Flexbox is a layout module that allows you to easily align and distribute content within a container. It's designed to be flexible and responsive, which means that you can use it to create layouts that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. At its core, Flexbox is all about defining a flexible container, the parent element, and flexible items, the child elements, that can be arranged in any number of ways based on the properties that you define. To get started with Flexbox, you'll need to define a container element and set its display property to Flex. This tells the browser that you want to use Flexbox for layout. Once you've done that, you can start defining the properties for your child elements. One of the key features of Flexbox is its ability to distribute content within the container using the Justify Content and Align Items properties. These properties allow you to control the horizontal and vertical alignment of your content, respectively. For example, if you want to center your content both horizontally and vertically within the container, you could set the following properties. This would center all of the child elements within the container. Another important feature of Flexbox is its ability to control the order of elements within the container using the order property. This property allows you to reorder the child elements without changing their position in the HTML markup. For example, if you want to move the last item in your container to the top, you could set its order property to a negative value. This would move the last child element to the top of the container, while maintaining its position in the HTML markup. Flexbox also has a number of other properties that allow you to control the spacing between elements, using margin and padding, the size of elements, using FlexGrow, FlexShrink, and FlexBasis, and more. When it comes to responsive design, Flexbox is an incredibly powerful tool. Because Flexbox layouts are based on flexible units, like percentages, they can easily adapt to different screen sizes and devices. You can use media queries to adjust the properties of your Flexbox container and child elements based on the screen size. For example, this would change the direction of the Flexbox layout to vertical, column, when the screen size is less than 768 pixels wide. We will be developing a simple blog using HTML and CSS, with a focus on using Flexbox to create a flexible layout that adjusts to different screen sizes. This will help us to better understand how Flexbox works and how it can be used to create responsive designs. The code provides a solid foundation for creating a simple website that adjusts automatically to different screen sizes, making it accessible and user-friendly on mobile devices as well as desktops. The HTML code defines the structure of the web page, which includes a header section with a title and description, a navigation bar with links, 2 columns containing information and images, and a footer section. The CSS code defines the styles for each element, including font family, color, padding, and background color. The box sizing property is set to border box, which includes the padding and border in the element's total width and height. The code uses the flex property to create a flexible layout, with the left column set to 30% of the total width and the right column set to 70%. The flex wrap property is set to wrap, which allows the content to wrap to the next line if it exceeds the width of the container. The media query is used to adjust the layout of the website to a single column when the screen size is less than 700 pixels wide, ensuring that the website is accessible and user-friendly on small screens, such as mobile devices. The header section contains a title and description, which are displayed at the top of the page. The navigation bar contains links to other pages or sections of the website. The content is divided into 2 columns, with the left column containing information about the website owner, including a photo, some text about the owner, and additional text. The right column contains 2 articles with images and text. Each article has a title, date, a main image, and text. The footer section contains information about the website owner or copyright information. The div elements with class names are used to create a flexible grid layout, which allows the content to adjust and respond to different screen sizes. Overall, this code provides a great starting point for beginners who want to learn Flexbox and create a simple website with a flexible layout that is accessible and user-friendly across different devices. With some customizations and additions, it can be adapted to suit a wide range of needs and purposes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.